trading signals and increase your profit, stay with me. In this video, I want to introduce an incredible indicator on TradingView that will blow your mind. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search volume delta. This one, volume delta, which is written by someone named Hap Harmonic. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it's added here to our chart. This is a volume indicator, but not an ordinary volume indicator. As you know, price follows volume. In other words, if in a time period we have higher amount of volume, so something is going on, and because of that the market participants are heavily buying and selling. When you have an ordinary volume indicator on your chart like this one or other versions based on this, when you have it on your chart, it only shows the amount of volume. You have bars on your chart that show you how much is the amount of volume for each period separately. By the help of this volume indicator, you can easily realize if the volume is increased or decreased, but with this volume indicator, there is no way to evaluate buying volume and selling volume separately. In other words, with this volume indicator alone, you cannot know if the buyers had the upper hand or sellers unless you check the corresponding candle or some momentum indicators to realize if there was a more bullish volume or bearish volume. But with this new volume indicator, you have this feature to separately for each time period effectively evaluate the percentage of buy-sell activities. Alright, as you can see in this indicator, we have volume bars but in different appearance, and they are also reflected on the candles. We have also two moving averages with buy-sell signals, and we have also a table here that shows live information about the current candle that is forming on the chart. Let's begin with the table. As you can see, it is showing the buying and selling volume separately, and this is for the current candle that is forming here, and their percentages are also shown here in the second row, the percentage of buying or selling volume for this current candle. So when you are live trading and you intend to open a position, by the help of this table for the current candle, you exactly know the percentage of buying or selling volume, so you know who has the upper hand in the market, buyers or sellers. These informations are reflected here and also here on the candles. First, let me explain the bars here. Whenever the buying or selling volume exceeds the other one, the larger volume will be positioned behind the smaller one, blue for buying volume and red for selling volume. So for example, here we had larger buying volume and the red bar in the front shows smaller selling volume. Or for another example here, the red bar in the back shows larger selling volume and the blue bar in the front shows smaller buying volume. So as you can see, you can easily evaluate the ratio of buying and selling volume for each candle separately, including the current candle with live information that is constantly changing. As you can see here, these dots and lines show total volume, just similar to an ordinary volume. So in case if you don't have an ordinary volume on your chart, this is just doing the same, showing the total volume for each candle. So you can also have an evaluation of increasing or decreasing of the total volume for each candle. These colors are also reflected on the candles for easier evaluation. When we have higher buying volume for a candle, the candle is shown in blue color, which is filling from bottom up to its corresponding percentage. Actually, the body of candle is considered 100%, and the blue part, which is actually the filling part of the candle, is showing the share of buying volume in that period. And similarly, when selling volume is higher than buying volume, the candle is filled with red color starting from top with the corresponding percentage of selling volume. So from here you can easily evaluate the percentage of buying or selling volume for each candle just by looking at the candles. The more the candle is filled, the stronger is that buying or selling volume. Alright, now you may wonder how these informations can help you in practice for your trading decisions. When you have a buy-sell signal based on your trading strategy, you can more confirm your signal by evaluating the buying or selling volume in that period. This indicator has also added two moving averages to our chart, one with length of 12 and the other with length of 26. As you know, when shorter moving average crosses below the longer moving average, it's a sell signal, and when the shorter moving average crosses above the longer moving average, it's a buy signal. This indicator has added a layer of confirmation for these crossover signals by the help of these volume data. By default, it set the volume confirmation length at 6, so when a crossover happens, when the condition is met, we have a triangle which shows confirmed signal. The point is that for a sell signal, the sell signal is confirmed if we have good percentage of selling volume, and for a buy signal, the signal is confirmed confirmed if we have good percentage of buying volume, which in this case you can see that the indicator didn't show any triangle because the buying volume is not good. But in this case, which we had a good selling volume, the indicator has shown this triangle. Crossover signals of moving averages are generally very prone to be false signals, and even with this volume confirmation, you can still encounter false signals, especially when the market is flat. In case if you want to use this setup, I recommend using also another indicator like Kurutoga. This one, Kurutoga histogram, so it can help you with trending and non-trending markets. When there is green and red bars at the same time, it shows flat market, and when there is only green or only red, it shows trending phase of the market. By the help of this indicator, you can easily more confirm the signals of this indicator. For example, this one is confirmed because we only have red bars. This buy signal here is also confirmed because we have only green bars. Moving back on the chart, the sell signal here is also confirmed because we only have red bar, but this buy signal is not confirmed because we have both of green and red bar at the same time. Or this one is also confirmed, or this buy signal here, this is also confirmed, but this buy signal here is not confirmed because we have both of green and red bars at the same time. As you can see, this shows flat market. Please pay attention that you can use these informations of volume data for any trading strategy or for any other buy sell signal indicators. If you don't need the buy sell signals of these moving average crossovers, you can simply go to the settings of the indicator and here remove EMA volume confirmed. And now you can use the volume data of this indicator in your personal trading strategies for more confirmation and removing of false signals. For example, let's add a buy sell signal indicator like Lorentzian classification. This one, machine learning Lorentzian classification, which is written by J.D. Horty. And let's see how we can validate the signals by the help of this volume indicator. For example, just look at this buy signal here. Do we have any good percentage of buying volume? No. Or look at the sell signal. Similarly, no good selling volume. Also for this buy signal here, we don't have good buying volume. But for the sell signal here, we have considerably higher selling volume in compared to buying volume. Or for this buy signal here, we have considerably higher buying volume in compared to selling volume. And you can see that both of these signals are good ones and can be profitable. This is just an example to show you how you can validate your buy sell signals by the help of this volume indicator. This is not a trading strategy because still you need to add another indicator that can help you to remove the signals that happen during flat markets. For example, here for this buy signal, we have good buying volume, but this is just a false signal during this flat market. Or the sell signal here, this is also a false signal with good amount of selling volume, as you can see. Having another indicator like Kurutoga, which we added earlier, or ADX or price action analysis if you have the experience, can help you to filter the signals when the market is in a trading range and moving flat. This is a very helpful indicator that gives you the ability to evaluate the buying and selling volume separately, so you know who had the upper hand in that period. By providing live data on the current candle, this is an excellent tool that you can use in your trading strategies. As I always mention in my videos, you can never have a trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, so don't expect that by the help of this volume indicator you can have 100% win rate. No, this is not possible in reality, and you need to manage your risk properly so you can protect your trading account. Otherwise, you will definitely lose your trading account sooner or later. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's one of the best risk management strategy that you can use. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it so you better understand how you can manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free